Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is heights and distances. Now your question is, a tower subtends angles alpha to alpha 3 alpha at ABC all lying on the horizontal line through the foot of the tower. Then AB by BC. Now here horizontal line. Now this is a horizontal line. Now we are at tower. Now angles alpha to alpha 3 alpha. Now we are A, B, C. Okay, now here alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, this one 3 alpha. Okay, now here A, B, C, D, E. Now here find these angles, here this one and this one. Now here alpha, this one 2 alpha, okay, this one 3 alpha, okay, this angle is alpha, this one 2 alpha, this one 3 alpha. Now here find this angle means, now here total this one 2 alpha minus alpha is this one. Okay, next find this angle. Now here this one 3 alpha, this one 2 alpha, 3 alpha minus 2 alpha, and here also angle alpha. Okay, now here this one total here straight angle. Now here 3 alpha, this one 180 minus pi minus 3 alpha, 180 minus 3 alpha, this angle. Okay, now here apply from triangle AB. Now apply sine rule. Now here AB by sine alpha. Now AB by sine alpha is equal to, next here BE by, and here also alpha, opposite angle alpha, BE by sine alpha. Now here equation 1. Okay, next from triangle BC, now here also apply sine rule. Now BC by opposite angle is alpha, BC by sine alpha. Now BC by sine alpha is equal to, next here B, now you take this one B, B mean opposite angle pi minus 3 alpha, B by sine pi minus 3 alpha. Now here equation 2. Okay, now equation 1 by 2. Now equation 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, now sine alpha cancel, AB by BC is equal to, now sine pi minus 3 alpha, sine 3 alpha by sine alpha. Okay, sine 3a, 3 sine a minus 4 sine a cube a. Now sine 3 alpha is equal to, now AB by BC is equal to 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine a cube alpha by sine alpha. Okay, now here sine alpha common, sine alpha cancel. Now 3 minus 4 sine square alpha. Okay, now here 3 minus 2 into 2 sine square alpha. Now 2 sine square alpha means 1 minus cos 2 alpha, 3 minus 2 into 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Now here 3 minus 2 plus cos 2 alpha, 2 cos 2 alpha. Now 3 minus 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha, 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. Now option 2 is the correct one. Next one is two pillars are 120 feet apart and height of n double that of the other. From the middle point of the line joining their feet, an observer finds that the angular elevations of their tops are complementary. The height of the longer tower is, okay, now we are two pillars, okay, now we are longer tower, now shorter, now we are 120 feet, now middle of the point, the angle of elevations here, angle of elevations, here point to P, this one AB, here CD, and here height of n is double that of the other. Now to here suppose here h, this one 2h, okay, and also angle of elevations are complementary. Angle of elevations are complementary means now here theta, this one 90 minus theta, okay, this one theta, here 90 minus theta. Now here find 2h, find 2h. Now here AP, P is the midpoint of AC, means now AP is equal to PC is equal to 60. Okay, first here from triangle APB, now to take cot theta is equal to, now here 60 and here also 60, 60 by 2h, 60 by 2h. By cross multiplication, 2h cot theta is equal to 60. Now equation 1. Okay, next from triangle CPD, now here also cot 90 minus theta, is equal to, now here also cot theta, now cot 90 minus theta is equal to 60 by h. Now here tan theta is equal to, now tan theta is equal to 60 by h. By cross multiplication, h tan theta is equal to 60. Now equation 2. Multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2 implies, now here 2h square, tan theta into cot theta, is equal to, now 60 into 60, 3600. Now tan theta into cot theta value is 1, now 1800s. Now h square is equal to 1800, now h is equal to square root of 1800 means 30 root 2. Now h value is 30 root 2. Now height of the longer tower, height of the longer tower now 2h is equal to, now 60 root 2. Therefore option 2 is the correct one. Next one is, a flagstaff height 10 meters is placed on the top of a tower of height 30 meters. At the top of a tower height 40 meters, the flagstaff and the tower subtended equal angles. Then the distance between the two towers in meters is. Okay, a flagstaff height 10 meters is placed on the top of the tower. Now here tower height here 30 meters, here on the flagstaff here 10 meters. Okay, at the top of a tower, height 40 meters. Same here. This one 40 meters height tower. The flagstaff and the tower subtended equal angles, and here also here this one alpha, and here also this one also alpha, equal angles. Now here find the distance between the two towers. The distance between the two towers. Here defined this one D. Okay, now here alpha, this one also alpha. Now total here 2 alpha. Total is 2 alpha. Now here A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now here D is the flagstaff, and CD is the one of the tower, and AB is also a tower. Okay. Now here from triangle BD, from triangle BD. Now tan alpha is equal to 10 by D. Tan alpha is equal to 10 by, and here also D, this one also D, 10 by D. Now here equation 1. Okay, from triangle CBE, now tan 2 alpha is equal to, now a total 40, now 40 by D. Okay, 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha is equal to 40 by D. Now here from equation 1, tan alpha is equal to 10 by D. Now we will substitute this one. Now 2 into 10 by D. Now 2 into 10 by D by 1 minus 100 by D square is equal to 40 by D. Now 20 by D into D square by D square minus 100 is equal to 40 by D. Okay, DD cancel, 22's. Now here 2D square minus 200 is equal to D square. Now D square is equal to 200. Now D is equal to, therefore D is equal to 10 root 2. D is equal to 10 root 2. Now here option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct one.